Initially, I used to do Google search and if I found answer, I am done. That's it. I'm not worried about what is its description, what is at the left side, what is at the right side of the search result page. And many people are doing the same. But observing and understanding the search results a little bit more is the key to broaden and deepen our knowledge about the particular topic. I guarantee that after going through this session, you will start looking at the search results from the different angle altogether. Also, going through the search result page help in improving the quality of our search query. Let us see the demo. Let me take my previous example. My head is paining and what things from my home kitchen I can use to remove the pain. So let me search with this. We have seen before that this is a bad example of querying. If this is a bad example, then how to get a good ideas to search? Then understanding the search result page will help. If you scroll below at the end, you will see the panel called related searches. If you are not getting a good ideas to search, then looking at this panel will help you a lot. This will give you a common search queries which people are asking for. So this big query can be converted into small query like instant home remedies for headache. So this is a proper query. So before searching with this query, I want you to notice one thing. So let me scroll up and look at this search result. Way to get rid of headache quickly. And you can see that missing kitchen. This is telling me that this search result is missing the kitchen keyword in it. And it has given you suggestion as well, must include kitchen. If you click on this, then Google will include this keyword in all the search result and give you the search result which has this keyword in it. So let me click on it and let us verify that. Let me open this and I will search for kitchen. And see here, we have this kitchen keyword present on this page. So all these search results will have kitchen keyword mandatorily present in it. And if you see that Google has changed my query, it has added kitchen keyword here. One more way to get a good ideas for search is if you click in the search box, you will see the auto suggestion. So you can pick one among these. These are also a proper and common search queries which people are asking for. Now let us scroll back. And let us use the related search panel and click on instant home remedies for headache. Let us observe the search result. At the top of the page, you can see that there are 13 lakhs plus result and this query took 0.52 seconds to execute. And at the top of the page, you are seeing some direct information given. So this information is called as a featured snippets. So Google algorithm has that intelligence to pick answers or information to common questions and it will formulate that information in the meaningful way. So this is the most search for most adequate and most proper information, but we cannot say that it is the most credible information. So this information is called as a featured snippet. If you want to understand more on featured snippet, then at the end you can see this link about featured snippet. So why this is coming up is explained here, and you are also seeing the images related to this topic. So which are relevant images which are talking about this topic will be given at the top of the page. And if you scroll below, you are seeing people also ask. So these are the common questions which people are asking. So how do you get rid of headache instantly? So you can directly click on this and see the common answers. So these questions and answers are also made from the web pages. So if you expand this, you will see that this is coming up. This question and answer is formulated from this website. Now I will slightly tweak my query and I will remove this instant from it. And let us search for it. I want you to focus on the right hand side. So at the right hand side, you are seeing the panel which is called as the knowledge panel. So it has a detailed information of headache. If you are seeing this kind of knowledge panel, then these are worth to go and look for. Going through this knowledge panel will improve the knowledge about your topic in a huge way. So let us see what it is talking about. So if you see this remedies that may reduce headache pain include aspirin, paracetamol. So it is recommending some tablets. So seeking medical care. So it is also telling that see a doctor immediately if you feel worse than usual. It is telling some common symptoms. If you have those, then instead of looking for remedies at home, you should consult your doctor immediately. At the bottom of the knowledge panel, you are seeing the related health condition to headache. So one is stress, other is migraine, tension type headaches, infections. So this is talking about that. Now I want you to observe the search result description. The first information present in the search result description is date. So this date is telling us that this page is published on 4th Feb 2018. If there is a requirement to look for the latest article about the headache, then you can exclude this search result. So let us see further. Initially, I used to think that the search result description is a para from that web page, but that is not the case. Search result description are the set of sentences, keywords present from that page which describes or talks about my query. So if you observe, some of the keywords are in bold. Those are the keywords which are related to my search query. Those can be synonyms or related to my search query. So let us see that. So some of the remedies it has already started describing in the search result description. So if you observe further, there are some treatments given on this page. So those are ibuprofen and paracetamol. If you see below, there are some links which are highlighted in blue color. So these are the links present on this page. If you are interested to go directly on the link, then from here you can go to that link directly. You don't need to visit this web page explicitly. I want you to notice these 3 dots. These 3 dots are telling that there are some text at the beginning, and this is the text which is related to your search query, and hence it is shown here. Here you are seeing the small arrow present. If you click on it, you will see cached button. So what is this cache button? If you click on this button, Google will open this link, and that is the last cached version of this website. If unfortunately right now if this website is not available, then you can go and see its last cached version. There are lot many features available on this search result page. Now let me search with World Health Organization WHO, and see the first search result is from World Health Organization. So these are some of the topics about which this website is talking about. And there is a cool feature available, that is of search. Using this you can directly search internally on the WHO's website. If I want to search about polio, then let us see what happens. And see the search result about polio directly on this website. I don't need to go and look for the polio on this big website. You can directly search. That is the beauty of this search box. Let me change my query to something like this. Diversification. So the first search result is from dictionary, and here also you are seeing that there is a feature of search available, and using this feature you can directly search for a word. You don't need to go to this website and search again. So in this session we have learned that by mere understanding the search results, we can write clean and fast queries. We also learned lot more around the topic, also understood how to read, interpret and use the search results description to our advantage.